1. 1970 Ford F100, $10,000 to $500, Tucson, Arizona. This 1970 Ford F100 is a project truck that's well on its way to completion, with a new engine and transmission already installed. Powered by a V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, this truck offers a classic and powerful setup. With a clean title, it's ready for an enthusiast to take over and complete the finishing touches to create a robust and authentic classic. 2. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, $12,995, Meridian, Idaho. A solid and stylish daily driver, this 1972 Chevrolet C10 Stepside features a rebuilt Chevy 350 V8 engine and a fresh Turbo 350 automatic transmission with a shift kit, making it a powerful and reliable classic. Originally a long bed, it has been professionally shortened to a more desirable short bed configuration. With only 1,900 miles since the rebuild, this C10 includes new wheels and tires, a clean title, and a slightly firm price, making it an appealing classic for everyday use or weekend cruising. Number 3. 1976 Chevrolet K10 Short Wide 4x4, $14,500, Damascus, Oregon. This 1976 Chevrolet K10 is a factory-built short wheelbase truck equipped with a robust 350 engine, headers, and a turbo 400 transmission. The 4.10 factory gear ratio and 4-by-the-die provide excellent off-road capability, and new BFG tires and wheels add durability. Although the air conditioning needs charging, the truck is otherwise in great condition for its age and ready for adventure. Originally a California truck, it boasts the rugged appeal and high demand of short-wide box pickups from the era. Four. 1972 Ford F250 4-bodied bod project, $12,500, Fairplay, California. This 1972 Ford F250, sitting on a 1975 4-body frame, is a project with a lot of potential. It features a 390 V8 engine from 1969 with high-performance heads, a rebuilt C6 transmission, and a 203 full-time transfer case. With power steering and front disc brakes, it offers excellent handling for a vintage truck. While the truck's bed is not fully mounted, the body is bolted on the front, allowing a new owner to make finishing customizations. With a clean title, it's a unique foundation for a serious build. Number 5. 1969 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed, $10,500, Napa County, California. This one-owner 1969 Chevrolet C10, with its original paint and a straight body, is a reliable and classic option for collectors. Featuring a 6-cylinder engine, 3-speed manual transmission, power steering, and only 98,000 original miles, it stands out as a well-maintained piece of history. With recent updates to the brakes and master cylinder, it's in good condition and runs smoothly. Ideal for anyone looking for an authentic long bed C10 with classic appeal. 6. Saw 1967 Ford Ranchero, $18,000, Denver, Colorado. With only 55,000 original miles, this 1967 Ford Ranchero is a remarkably preserved example. Equipped with a 289 V8 engine, dual exhaust, and an automatic transmission, this all-original vehicle, aside from new wheels and tires, represents the unique Fairlane 500 line. Having been a special order model in Denver, it's a virtually rust-free classic that's been driven extensively in recent summers, attending shows and cruises. Its originality and excellent condition make it a solid collector's find. Seven, 1963 Chevrolet C10 long bed with airbags, $18,000, San Francisco, California. This 1963 Chevrolet C10 long bed combines custom touches with classic appeal. Fitted with a 383 cubic inch engine and an automatic turbo 400 transmission. It also has airbags, power brakes, dual chamber master cylinder, relocated gas tank, and a Flowmaster exhaust system for enhanced performance and comfort. The current owner is also in the process of installing a new bed cover, carpet, and bench seat. It's a stylish classic with several modern upgrades, ready for cruising or collecting. Eight, saw 1969 Chevrolet El Camino, $18,000, Watsonville, California. Featuring a powerful 383 stroker engine, this 1969 Chevrolet El Camino is equipped with a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, TH350 automatic transmission, B&M mega shifter, and an SS hood. With 70,000 miles, it runs strong and is sold by the owner to cover school expenses. A desirable muscle car/truck hybrid with impressive performance specs, this El Camino combines the utility of a truck with the soul of a muscle car. Nine, 1966 Ford F250, $18,500, Sparks, Nevada. This 1966 Ford F250 has a custom paint job, 352 V8 engine, and automatic C6 transmission, making it a rugged yet stylish classic. The recent repaint, new seat cover, headliner, and floor mat enhance its appeal, and it comes with records from the current owner. Known for durability and utility, the F250 is a highly versatile vintage truck. With the 8-lug wheels and 8-foot bed, it's ready for work or weekend drives. 10. 1976 Jeep J10 with 401 V8, $15,000, Manteno, Illinois. This factory 1976 Jeep J10 truck is powered by the rare 401 V8 and includes a 1968 Gladiator front grille. The interior has been redone, and it features a fresh exhaust, electronic fuel pump conversion, and 4-barrel carburetor for a powerful ride. The vehicle is well maintained, with quadra-track 4x deed and 126,000 miles on the odometer. With its iconic rugged look and high-performance specs, this J10 is a fantastic collector's truck, ready to impress on the road.